How's it going, guys? Manier reporting to you from the experience. And so, with the foundation in place from our previous few videos of what's going on the planet, we can now start to build solutions. Obviously, this is a very complex situation and requires all of our collective attention and our collective participation in order to navigate through this and solve it. Everything is energy, ripples and whirlpools, remember. The Cabal understands this very well, and that's why they spend so much time, effort, and money keeping everybody angry and afraid and fighting, focused on fear, anger, hatred, suffering, negativity. We get what we focus on, we get what we believe, and so we need to be aware of the problems and then focus on the solutions. I can't simply means that we won't try, and I can't is a loser attitude, so let's be winners, yeah? Anyways, some solution ideas I want to introduce into the mass consciousness, or bring more consciousness to today, are Thrive, Ubuntu, Free Energy, Earthships, and Pyramid. Thrive is a documentary that does an excellent job summarizing the current geopolitical situation here on Earth, or the Matrix, if you will. You can watch it for free on their website, which is thrivemovement.com. The awesome thing about Thrive is that they have a solutions hub on their website, which is a tool designed to allow people to communicate, form groups, and take action to create positive changes in their communities and in the world. Ubuntu is something that I'm really excited about, and I will discuss this a lot more in future videos. Ubuntu is a contributionism system founded by Michael Tellinger, in which there is no need for a financial system of any kind. No money, no barter and trade, no nothing. There's no crime, no hunger, no greed, no gluttony, no envy, no hoarding, no hierarchy, no obstacles to progress. Everyone contributes their natural talents and acquired skills to create abundance and prosperity for everyone in the community. There have been many inventors who have invented free energy technologies over the last century. Some of them are Nikola Tesla, who had invented a way to transmit electricity wirelessly and for free. John Searle, who invented a magnetic free energy generator that also produced anti-gravity. Eugene Malov, who was an outspoken proponent of cold fusion and wrote a book on it entitled Fire from Ice. And Stan Meyer, who invented a car that used an electrolysis process to separate hydrogen and oxygen, thus allowing it to run on water. This technology would transform our world and completely solve all of the energy problems that we're currently facing here on Earth. Unfortunately, it's being suppressed from the public at the moment. Now, interestingly, as this war for disclosure is heating up, there's a lot of new technologies being invented suddenly, and there's a couple reasons for this. One is probably to get technology out there without letting the public know that they've been using it for the last 50 plus years, and also in order to distract us as we become aware of the crimes against humanity that the Cabal has been committing in order to keep this secret and keep this technology from the public. But basically, people just need to educate themselves, become aware of what's going on, become aware of the type of technologies that are out there. And Earthships are really awesome. These are self-sustaining, off-grid homes built with earth and recycled materials. The most prominent or common materials being used in their construction being earth bricks, which are basically tires packed with dirt, as well as bottles and cans. They're designed to grow their own food, recycle their own water, and produce their own energy, either via solar or wind technologies, and hopefully soon the free energy technologies that'll be released to everyone. Pyramids are interesting devices, kind of like machines with no moving parts. Due to their shape, they kind of act like energy funnels, causing the energy that's coming up out of the earth to spiral and emerge from the apex condensed. Russian scientist Alexander Golod built a bunch of pyramids in the Russian countryside and discovered that they have positive and beneficial effects on biological life and consciousness. Things such as making poisons less toxic, making medicines more beneficial, and in fact causing water to have the same effect, so the medicine is not even necessary in the first place. What may not be so well known is that there's actually quite a lot of pyramids around the world. Various ratios produce various effects. Some are used for things like initiation, meditation, teaching, learning. Others are used simply for balancing the Earth's energetic grid. So there are some ideas to help free the planet. We'll discuss some of them, like Ubuntu, in more detail in future videos. Until then, stay safe, guys.